Welcome, sir.
Oh, what brings you here?
An S-rank hunter set foot in Korea, so of course a hunter from the surveillance team was dispatched. How long are you planning to stay, sir?
I'll leave right after I take care of business.
Is that business related to E-rank hunter Song Jin-woo and D-rank hunter Yoo Jin-ho?
You're a surveillance agent, all right. If you already know why I'm here, why'd you ask? You. Stop me.
I'm just doing my job, sir.
I've always liked you.
S-rank hunter Hwang Dong-soo and his older brother Hwang Dong-suk have been suspected of murdering numerous hunters inside the dungeons. Neither has shown any guilt for those heinous acts. Scumbags.
Gina's brother, right? Nice to meet you. I'm her homeroom teacher. Gina has good grades and a kind heart. I see no reason to worry about her. I heard that you're a hunter, correct? If it's not too much trouble, I was wondering if you could do me a favor. The reason I ask is, one of Gina's friends wants to drop out because she's just awakened. Could you please convince her to at least finish high school? Her name is Hong Song-yi.
Wait a sec. The hunter my teacher wants me to talk to is you? It's none of your business, but I'm not giving up on being a hunter.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna try to talk you out of it.
Then why are you here?
To help you become the best. It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Hello.
I was surprised to get a call from you at this hour, requesting to make a visit to our new hunter training session. A C-rank gate just opened up.
Let's cut the chit-chat and head in. This isn't a picnic, you know.
His name is Kim Chul, and he's one of our new A-rank hunters. It looks like we may have offended him a bit. Today's strike squad has a total of 12 members, ranging from A-rank to C-rank. Adding them for a C-rank gate may seem a little excessive, but even though their rankings are high, they're still new hunters.
This raid won't be much of a learning opportunity if it's too easy. Actually, wait a minute. It might just make her aware of how poorly she measures up to the other hunters. She'll see firsthand how powerless an E-rank hunter is inside the dungeons.
Let's get down to business.
Are we finally going in? Mister, you coming or not?
After you.
Mr. On, the gate is...
What the hell is this?
Mr. On, call the main strike squad now!
Where are we? This doesn't look like a dungeon! Ambush! In the trees!
Ice elves.
These guys are pretty clever. They targeted our two weakest members first. I don't think they're happy to see us.
Some of you may have noticed, but this is a red gate.
What's a red gate?
Once you step foot inside one, there's no escaping unless the boss is defeated or a dungeon break occurs. We're stranded here. This weather could kill us. We have to find a way to escape the cold.
I feel magical energy from these sculptures. Let's go!
Monarchs. Punishment! You can't avoid it!
It's getting warmer as we destroy them!
Let's press on, targeting the
Wait.
sculptures.
It's not over.
What? Then...
I still feel its presence.
It's still there!
Fight!
Time for a counterattack. An opening! I see it all.
It's no use! Divide! Divide!
Time for a counterattack. So, I'm ready. Looks like they left it to their weaker warriors. Time to warm up.
I'll shred you!
I see it all. Time.
It's no use! I'll cut you.
Destroying the sculptures stops the enemies from attacking.
The Ice Elves must gain some offensive magic from them.
Let's speed.
Leave it to me.
Now,
Shatter!
I see it all. Time for a counterattack. Too slow.
Come on. You can't avoid it!
Leave it to me.
I'll cut you in half.
It's over!
You've drawn the star!
I still have a long way to go. I need to hunt efficiently. Let's try.
Come on. Punishment!
Time for a counter. I'll cut you in half. Now,
Shatter!
You've drawn the star!
It's no use! I'll shred you! Tearing through!
You've drawn the star!
You can't avoid it! I'll end this!
shred you!
You've drawn the stall.
Tearing through! You can't avoid it!
Leave it to me.
And open it!
Arise.
The entrance is shut tight. How many of our hunters went inside?
A total of 12, sir. An A-rank hunter named Kim Chul is the leader, and there are also 7 B-rank hunters.
If the gate is A rank or higher, the hunters in there are as good as dead. 2 or 3 hunters might be able to make it out alive, if they're lucky.
Actually, one other person entered the gate.
A hunter you've had your eye on?
Well, sir, he's an E-rank, but I'm pretty sure he's reawakened.
Reawakened? Are you sure it's not just speculation?
Well, yes, it's just a guess for now.
Then the only person we can trust right now is Kim Chul.
So, what's a big shot from the White Tiger Guild doing here?
An S-rank hunter from the Scavenger Guild, Hong Dong-Su.
It's been a while, Baek Yun-ho.
What are you doing on our turf?
You're a hard man to track down, Sung Jin-woo.
Why is everyone obsessed with that guy?
Sung Jin-woo's not a member of the White Tiger Guild, right? Then why did he enter that gate?
He asked if he could participate in a C-rank raid that paid well.
Oh well, I guess there's nothing I can do. Is that what you want to hear?
Hong Dong-Su, unhand my employee!
Did you just give me an order? Not bad.
I was also suspicious about Sung Jin-woo's reawakening. But a manometer measured his rank the same. He's an E rank. It's a shame that Hunter Hwang Dong-suk died, but Sung Jin-woo isn't strong enough to wipe out an entire strike squad.
I know. It's just an excuse. An excuse to kill someone. Forget it. You killed my vibe, man.
My name is Kim Chul, an A-rank hunter. I'll see to it that we make a safe return. Which is why I'm going to form a separate team to clear the dungeon. So who's with me?
I'll go. Count me in.
You're out. You guys too. I can't afford any dead weight inside a red gate.
Excuse me. Would you mind if I went with those guys instead?
As you please. We're gonna follow this path.
Then we'll head to the forest.
Kim Chul didn't even see that arrow. You're not actually an E rank, are you?
Who's to say?
This guy's at least an A rank. No, he might even be. We can't go any further.
What's the matter?
You see those? This place is plastered with territorial markings.
That's precisely why we should go.
Didn't you hear what I said? Do you want to get killed?
If this is Ice Bear territory, the only enemies we'll have to worry about are the bears.
Oh, the fact that there are a lot of bears implies that there are no other magic beasts to prey on them.
You can follow me if you want.
Hey, mister, what's your deal?
I dragged you into this, so I'll protect you. In exchange, just don't ask me any questions. The same goes for the rest of you.
Over there! It's an ice bear!
I knew it! We shouldn't have ventured into the forest. I'll distract it. You guys try and find an opening. What are you doing?
Let me make this clear. I'm going to defeat all the magic beasts by myself. I can't pass up an opportunity to gain experience points. I wonder how strong I am at my current level. Since this is a high-ranking magic beast, shall I test myself? I'll cut you in half. An opening!
You've drawn the star!
You can't avoid!
Leave it to me.
This is the end! Monarchs. Punishment! I'll cut you in half. Comes thunder! It's over!
You've drawn the star!
Tearing through! Destroy them all! Time for a counterattack. It's no use! Monarchs. Punishment! That was nothing. I'll break through with my own strength.
Leave it to me.
Let's try.
You've drawn the star!
Monarchs. I'll end this! Too slow.
Leave it to me.
It's over.
You've drawn the star!
This is the end! Comes thunder! Monarchs. Punishment! I'll shred you!
Leave it to me.
Defy! I'll end this!
You've drawn the star!
Time for a counterattack. So, let's try. This will really help me grow. You can't avoid
drawn the stall.
Tearing through. It's over. Monarchs. Punishment. I'll cut you and it's no use. Leave it to me.
There's been a change in the atmosphere.
This is the end. I'll shred you. Monarchs.
There's been a change in the atmosphere.
I'll cut you in half. You can't avoid it! Monarchs. Punishment! I'll end this! Now, shatter! I'll cut you in half.
I'm getting a lot more experience points because this beast was high-ranking.
Arise.